Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Watch battery above 20% and firmware updated because sleep tracking needs continuous sensors. Once done, press the crown or swipe to settings. Make sure you're in the settings menu, not a shortcut screen. Then tap display or mode, depending on your model, and look for sleep mode. Toggle it on now. This initiates sleep monitoring and dims the screen to cut interruptions. You do this to let sensors record movement and heart rate without constant wake events. Once sleep mode is enabled, configure preferences so data is useful and unobtrusive. First, set a sleep schedule. Choose fixed start/end times or enable auto detect. Fixed schedules improve consistency, while auto detects varying nights. Next, enable do not disturb and risk detection so notifications stay silent and the screen stays off. Then adjust sensor settings. Increase HR sampling for accuracy or reduce it to save battery. And set vibration alerts for emergencies. These choices affect accuracy, battery life, and comfort overnight. To complete the routine, either let auto detect start your session or manually activate sleep mode before bed. When you wake, stop it the same way. Make sure you sync the watch with the phone app to review sleep stages, duration, and trends. Syncing uploads raw sensor data for analysis. If no sleep is recorded, check 3 things: battery level, app permissions for sensors and background activity, and that the watch sits snugly on skin for proper contact. If issues persist, reboot the watch and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.